Hi everyone, it's Rob here with some more creative writing for you. For today's story, we'll try another exciting idea and something a little spookier too. I love a good ghost story, and I've now written 6 of them for my Spirits series of novels. They're useful not only for giving us thrills and scares, but also to tell us more about other times and the people who lived before us. You can find out about the Spirits series on my website at www.robkeeley.co.uk. The story we're going to do today is what we call a first-person narrative, because you write in the first person, I did this, I saw that, as if the story were actually happening to you. There are also third-person narratives where you use he or she or they to talk about a story that happened to other people. So, time to get spooky. You're going around a country house and you see a portrait of a medieval lady. When you touch the picture, you can't take your hand away. You're trapped. What happens next? Write the story.